In this video, let me show you how we can change the cursor on your Mac computer. So what we have to do is to, of course, get inside our settings app. It's called system settings, and it depends on whether you want to change the way that it looks or the way it behaves. Because if you want to change the behavior, we can get to the bottom and click on a mouse right there and change some different things like the tracking speed, the secondary right click or scrolling direction and so on, right? Or even the gestures, advanced stuff, and so on. This is for the behavior. But if you want to change the way that it looks, you instead have to go to accessibility section of your settings, where upon clicking on display, you'll be able to find the pointer section in here as well. And this is where you can change stuff like the size of your pointer, so you can make it much larger. I like to keep it at around this level. And you can also change the color and the way that it looks, right? So you can make it, I don't know, bright red if you would want it to, or, looking like this. Or you can always reset it to the official colors. So that's how you can change the way that the pointer or cursor looks on your Mac. You can also come back to accessibility section, and below we have another section for pointer control, but this again gives you some additional features. So this is again more for the behavior, for some alternative mouse clicks and some different things, right? That's nice, but that's yet another section for it. So these are all of the places where you can change the way your mouse and cursor looks and behaves on your Mac. So I hope that I was able to explain it well. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.